A couple packages just arrived in the mail from eBay, so I thought, why not do a little unboxing? Let's see what we got in here, shall we? Oop. There we go. Okay. Let's put package 2 out of the way up here. Let's see. I'm not certain what I bought. I'm sure no one else is like that. You never get on eBay and buy things and then forget a little bit about what they were, and then when you get a package in the mail, it's kind of like Christmas. Okay, what object did I purchase? Seems like a pin. Oh. Would you look at that? We'll have to look over this very closely here in a moment. Put that one over there. Looks like another pin. Oh my. Set that one aside. I believe I feel something else in here. Do I? I do. There it is. It is a third pin. All right, trying out this new mat. See if we can show off what these three are. They are 3 potentially gold or potentially gold fill pins. And I bought them because A, I like them, and B, I thought they might make great Christmas presents for my various family members. This one, if we look at it close, looks to be maybe pearls. And if we're ever out evaluating jewelry, one of the first things you want to do is look to see, and you can see it here. Let me use the front of my knife right there. See how the pearls are actually captured by the prongs? Someone physically put the pearl there and then folded the prong around it. So that means that that piece in particular is actual jewelry and not cheap costume jewelry. Now, if we look close, let's see if I can grab a magnifying glass. This is one of the first videos I've done like this, so I'm still trying to figure out how to show these things to you. Let's see, will this work? Maybe. Let's try it like this. Oh my, there we go. Except that light. Yeah, well, this is quite a messy magnifying glass. I need to wash that up more. I get my magnifying glasses from the thrift shop too, so. So this may be a piece that's gold fill. It may be a piece that's actually something like 9 or 10 karat. And what we can do is we can see that those pearls are set nice. The other pieces I can't quite tell. The pin itself looks to be brass, but the rest of it looks pretty dang good. What we're gonna look for when we're looking close at something like this is any areas where the gold maybe has worn through. We're also gonna look for very, very teeny tiny markings. because oftentimes when these pieces were marked with gold, the marks were incredibly tiny and in weird places. I'll show that if we don't find one here in this little unboxing video. I will show that in another video with another piece. That's pin number 1. Set that aside. Let's look at pin number 2 here. Now this one looks better for gold. This little leaf pattern looks quite good. I'm thinking we might be able to find a marking if we look. Oh my. Do you see what I see? Right there? What do we see? I see some kind of mark. Can I make it out? I see a K. I don't know that the camera's going to pick it up right. Let me try a different magnifying glass. And we will see if something on the catch there is actually telling us what we're looking for. Well, maybe you've seen it on the screen, but I'm actually going to use my eyeballs for a moment. We will position these so you can marvel at them while I try to determine if this is a marking. Yes, it is a marking. And I will need to find a way with my little camera rig here to show this better. But that says 14K. So this pin is indeed 14 karat gold. Shall we have a look at the third one? This one also looks quite good. This piece may have been bent right here. Or though, maybe not. Maybe that's just how it is. Do you see a 14 karat there? I don't. Do you see any markings anywhere? I am not. They can be quite hidden. When you're out and about and at a thrift store and you see something like this that's unusually shiny, look close. As you just saw a moment ago, that 14K is so tiny it's really not showing up on my camera. This one, I suspect, is also 14 or 10 karat, but I'll have to maybe check with my local pawn shop that has a machine called an XRF machine that actually will check the metal content of an object and see what this one comes up as. Because I am not seeing a marking like that other one. In any case, we do have quite a beautiful piece. It may be gold fill. This one also may be gold fill. But for what I paid, we did well because this one is 14 for sure.